We continue to look for the 2 children. We are not going to give up regardless. The weather is a factor, but at this point we are going to continue the operations, and I've already set things in motion for tomorrow as well.
We have your backs, and we will be here as long as it takes to make sure Bucks County gets back up on its feet.
Right now at 6, a tragic update and a promise from officials in Bucks County. 5 people have been found dead and 2 children remain missing after flooding washed out parts of Upper Makefield Township. Thanks for being with us on this Sunday evening. I'm Rosemary Connors. The search for a 9-month-old boy and his 2-year-old sister continues more than 24 hours after authorities say they were swept away by floodwaters near Washington Crossing. We have live team coverage of this for you tonight from Bucks County. NBC 10's Karen Waugh joins us with the latest from local officials and from Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro. Let's start there, Karen.
Yeah, Rosemary, Governor Josh Shapiro and other leaders say they've never seen flooding like this in this area. And when we talk to other residents, they say they were really caught off guard because yesterday started off beautiful and nice, but when it rained, it turned violent quickly.
It's just incredible to see something like that, almost, like biblical, to see people swept away by water.
Today, we see raging waters like this around Upper Makefield Township. But neighbors tell us this is normally a creek that's ankle deep. In fact, Rob Stein's family usually comes to play on the rocks here every Sunday. But today, you can't see any rocks.
They call it like a 100-year storm. This is definitely one that I think we've been here over 7 years now. This is one of the worst, the heaviest rains we've seen in a while.
Torrential downpours last night caused major flash flooding that have killed at least 5 people. Officials tell us one family was visiting from Charleston, South Carolina this weekend. They were on the way to a barbecue when their car got stuck in a flash flood on Route 532. In their family of 5, the dad, grandmother, and 4-year-old son escaped and survived, but their mom unfortunately died. Their 9-month-old boy and 2-year-old girl are still missing. Rob Stein thinks about the parallels to his own family of 4.
It's really scary. We were supposed to have a family barbecue yesterday, and I just think about around 5 o'clock when they're all leaving. It could have been any one of us. It could have been us just going to the grocery store or anywhere.
For the past 24 hours, officials have successfully rescued several people from cars and the creek. Governor Shapiro joining Senator Josh Fetterman and other leaders today to lend state resources.
All hands are on deck from the Commonwealth to work together with our local partners. We have your backs.
Most importantly, we want the families of those who are lost, that they are in our hearts, and we will work tirelessly until we locate the loved ones.
And now that search and rescue mission for those 2 kids will continue well into tonight. But of course, what makes the crew's jobs much harder is this rain that is continuing to come down hard. And a lot of areas in these parts also become pitch black once the sun goes down. So certainly a tricky road for them ahead, Rosemary. We're live in Upper Makefield Township. Karen Waugh, NBC 10 News. Back to you guys.
Just a very difficult and sad situation. Karen, thank you. Let's go now to NBC 10's Brian Sheehan. He also joins us live from Upper Makefield Township with a story of survival. Brian, tell us more.
Yeah, well, Rosemary, we are at 532 and Wrightstown Road. As you see, police still have the road shut down at this hour as rescue crews continue their search for those 2 young children. The flash flooding occurred just down the hill from where we are standing. It's where several people found themselves surrounded by water around 5:30 yesterday afternoon, including the 22-year-old woman who shot this video as she and her dad Eli were clinging to trees to survive. You can see how fast the water was moving. They were out for a motorcycle ride, enjoying a nice day in Bucks County, but Eli says it started raining hard as they entered Washington Crossing. And as they came down 532, the water rose so fast that it actually swept them off the bike and directly into the path of the current. They grabbed onto a log and let the water take them. Here's Eli describing what happened next.
Oh, we're being dragged by the current. Oh, yeah, we're being drawn down, coming back down the road that we had just come up on the side of the road where there was no creek. But that's so much water that it filled up the side of the road, and we couldn't touch the floor, the ground. We were clinging to trees. We finally got to an area we were chest high in water, and we're standing there holding trees and vines waiting to the water to recede. Eventually the water did recede, and we were able to get onto the road and walk our way out.
A frightening scene for him, his daughter, and so many others who found themselves trapped down there in the floodwaters. We have that entire interview with Eli up on our website right now. Just go to NBC10.com. Of course, we have the NBC10 app as well. Rosemary, just a frightening situation for him. Luckily, he and his daughter are okay. Today, they say they are now physically okay, but mentally, of course, have to recover. We're now live in Upper Makefield Township. I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.
A lot to process, no two ways about it. Brian, thank you for your reporting. We check in now with NBC 10 First Alert meteorologist Janet Bolivar to tell us more about the flooding and to fill us in the conditions right now and this evening.
We're seeing big improvements. I think that's the good news. It's still raining in Northampton County, as we could see in Karen's shot, but we are seeing those improvements. And right now, that flood watch has just been canceled by the National Weather Service. However, we're still under a first alert because we have those lingering rain showers that are falling over saturated ground. So we need to be very careful. Of course, never drive over flooded roads to avoid any type of problematic situations. This is the good news. This is the live shot at the satellite array. Most of the rain is pulling away. However, we're still seeing those heavy downpours up north. But when we go to the coastline that was hammered by all this rain for the past hour, look at how all this rain activity is quickly exiting. Right now, we have some lingering showers over Ship Bottom and Atlantic City. Delaware, southern Jersey is now on the clear with this rain, but we're still monitoring some lingering rain cells right now. This in the north of Norristown with heavy rain, no lightning involved. But when we go to Northampton County, we're still seeing these cells of rain. The problem with these cells is that they're falling over those saturated grounds. We're not seeing any type of severe weather, but definitely they're flooding concerns because it's rain that's been falling basically nonstop for the past 24 hours. And take a look precisely at the estimated rainfall where you see the bright magenta colors and also the reds. That's where we have all this torrential rain that has fallen even since last night, overnight, and early into this morning. Over Milford in Delaware, more than 6 inches as a cell basically sat there for 3 hours, dumping torrential rain. And also, when we go north to Northampton, of course, we're seeing these very heavy rain estimates, more than 5 inches. This accumulation was dumped in like 1 hour. So we're talking that this scenario is even uncommon for hurricane settings. So it has been torrential, all the rain that we have been getting. The good news, the improvement, is that flood watch has just been canceled. However, we're still monitoring those lingering showers at least until 9 p.m. When can we see all this rain exiting, and what can we expect for tomorrow? I'll have all those details coming up next.
Janet, we'll see you shortly. Thanks for that. The stormy weather is also causing some travel problems at Philly International. Here's a live look at the airport. There have been nearly 40 flight cancellations and more than 270 delays just today. If you are heading to the airport, your best bet is to check with your airline. Remember, the Department of Transportation does not require the airlines to put you up in a hotel for flights canceled or delayed because of the weather, but the airline should help you to get on the next available flight. Remember to download the free NBC 10 app. If you don't have it on your phone or on your device, you can see the hour-by-hour forecast for your neighborhood, and you can get instant weather alerts sent straight to your phone.